Good morning, everyone. We've got another cool thing for you today. We've got the Audexen 2025 new upgraded RGB rock light system. This one's a pretty cool one. It's all aluminum. It's got a Bluetooth app for you to be able to control the system. It also comes with the remote for ease use, music mode, voice mode, all the cool things. It's also waterproof, which is cool. This is also one of the only systems that I can think of that has a pure white color. It's also RGB. Here's what's going to come in the box itself. Just a quick instruction, warranty card, just a quick guide on how to install it. And this is the lighting, pure aluminum, which is pretty cool. It's got a pretty long lead, which most systems that I've messed with doesn't really have any. They're pretty short. So this is pretty cool that they made it a little bit shorter. It's also going to come with 4 pads if you don't want it to be metal to metal contact. And this is the controller itself. So you can see it's got a couple of leads, which is cool. Since this is only a 4 system, we're only going to use 4 of these. Now the cool thing about that is you don't have to buy the extension. Some RGB company or rock light companies would sell you these for like $6-7 each, and this comes with 2 of them for the rears. Now when you get the box unboxed, or the product unboxed, it's going to come with this. It's also going to have just the main 12 volt and the ground. You can also wire this to a relay so it doesn't always connect to the battery and always constant. You can have it to an ignition triggered, a relay, so it comes on. That way it only come on or have power whenever the vehicle is on. It's also going to have these 3 leads. Now the important part about these is the red wire goes to your braking signal or brake signal. The blue wire is for your left turn signal, and the right, which is the yellow, right turn signal. So that's a pretty cool situation here. So this would, you can pretty much hook this up to where 2 of them would be for the front, left and right, and then you have 2 of them that goes in the back as brake. So that's a pretty cool setup that they did on that. You don't have to have it like that, but it is optional. Now in this setup, we're not going to do that just because I don't really want to hook this up since I don't really need it. But I'm thinking about hooking it up to my toolbox just to kind of light it up and show you what it looks like. I don't really want to hook it up to my car since I don't really see the need of doing it. Plus my car is lowered, so I don't really have any space in the rock or the wheel well to mount it. So for this particular situation, we're going to hook it up and mount it to my toolbox, which is a Husky big toolbox, which is also a great toolbox. So let's get to it. Alright, I just kind of mounted everything just to kind of see. As you can see, on one of the ends I hooked up 2. The other plug I hooked up 2. So we're going to go ahead and just use a normal 12 volt Milwaukee adapter. Now I do have a lead right here. Let me see if I can get it on camera. This is how I'm going to show you what the turn signal looks like. So we're going to go ahead and hook up the ground. It's going to do a couple of light sequencing. Here's the remote. Looks like you can dim it, brighten it, change the color. They're not kidding when they said they have the pure white. I've never seen a white one that bright. But yeah, this is just the quickest way to change it. So it's pretty cool setup. Like I said, you can also download the app. This is kind of just makes it easier to control. The red, the auto. Might have to mess with that a little bit. Now it's going to just do a little bit of sequencing. I'm assuming that's for the auto. Now let's go ahead and show you what it looks like. The yellow, as mentioned before, let me double check the wiring real quick. The yellow is the right turn signal. So 2 of them should flash. So that will be going off with your parking light or your turn signal. Now the blue, that's the left. Now the red one is the brake signal. So obviously while it's doing its auto mode, it's going to turn red for the brake. And then you let off the brake, it goes back to the auto mode. Now this is pretty good when you have like an ATV, Can-Am. You can even do it in your golf cart, boat, you name it. But I just wanted to show you what it looks like. Now you can add more to it if you wanted to. It has more outputs, so you just have to buy a couple of more extras. Now this is running on 72 watts, so it's going to be bright at nighttime. So just kind of be mindful of that. Check your state just to make sure none of these are illegal. But I'm going to go ahead and try to see if I could mount it in my toolbox so I can show you what it looks like at nighttime. I got it temporarily mounted to my toolbox just to kind of show you a glimpse of it. I don't have anything securely in there yet. I just kind of quickly ran it and wired it and held in there in place with double-sided for now. Turn it on. Now remember, I'm only using a small Milwaukee battery, so it's not going to be as strong as an actual battery or when it's running, but this is just for demo purposes only. So I'm going to change the color real quick. Red. So I'm just kind of cycling through all the colors. Definitely the bright one I love. So I'm going to go ahead and dim it a little bit. Let's do the auto, see what that looks like. As you can see, it is a pretty cool system. Like I said, you don't have to hook up the turn signals and the brake light if you don't want to, but it is optional. So go ahead and test that, mark it before you even run it to anything that you desire to run it in. That way you know everything works in conjunction with the turn signals and brake. But overall, this is a pretty cool setup right here, even though there's only 4. Definitely looks cool in the toolbox. Like I said, you can hook it up to your boat, ATV, Can-Am, car, truck, van, RV, you name it. Even the golf cart if you wanted to. But other than that, I definitely give it a thumbs up. Like I said, I do love that pure white one. That's my favorite so far. Other than that, if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a message. Check out the link in the description below if you want to order from Amazon. Other than that, peace.